1212. Charles.
Good morning. Good morning. Or good
Morning.
afternoon, sorry.
You made it.
Yeah,
You
we're
made
here.
it.
I'm not fake. I'm not that guy. Was you lucky enough to enter a sale during this?
No. I wasn't even. I didn't even know that. It got dumped. I just saw the chart now.
China doing its thing. Everyone was going crazy.
Yeah.
Hello, everyone.
Hello, Bob. The thing is, I missed the move, so there's not much I can do about it. Interesting that the euro dollar is bumping. Still
Yeah, how did that?
Still in the position since yesterday.
Trading is all about experience. It's to
But
feel the
gold
adrenaline
just
running
went
through our veins. Like all the things we do that excite us. Whatever world
I
we
think-
come from or live in,
I think the euro
there
dollar
are
is going
people
to
that are
burst
born
out.
to succeed. They're called special. To hustle every day for an opportunity of a lifetime.
It looks like
Looking for
it
the
just wants
challenge
go
to shape
higher.
our future is something that's in our DNA. A privilege just available for a few. Traders, we see things differently, paying attention to every small detail that would maybe go unnoticed by the common eye. On or by the edge is our
Weaker.
playground,
Stock market.
with a constant strive for glory, seeking
Then
for
gold
a
is
new
going to definitely
tomorrow.
bump.
Do you feel special? Take back control of your investments.
Especially, it's such a difference from the last reading.
On the last, sorry?
On the last reading.
On last NFP.
And then last time it did get revised higher.
Yeah.
The forecast is quite low considering recent numbers.
But strange that when previous to 16. Oh yeah, so back in March, the actual data came out as 275k was the forecast. But because it was revised, the February was revised to significantly lower, gold still pumped. And if you look at May, the previous one was revised to the upside, but because the actual was so low, almost half, well, not almost half, but significantly lower than the forecast, traders picked up the softer data narrative and ignored completely the revision. So it's going to be extremely difficult to know which one to trade. You just have to pick a side and go with it. In it.
Is that once data comes out, or we gonna?
Yeah, but even that, it's since we have these massive revisions, it's like trading 2 NFP at the same time.
Mm.
What do you think, Brad?
People want a dump and pump.
Sorry, guys. I was still getting ready here. I wasn't listening.
Brad the lad, welcome back.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. Happy NFP day.
Isn't it?
Mm.
NFP just so overhyped.
But so much potential. So much opportunity for loss.
Oh yeah.
I've just heated up last night's Chinese food and I'm just about to have lunch.
Nice.
Nothing better than leftover Chinese.
Good.
Food.
Cost 60 quid that delivery last night, so I'm going to enjoy it.
60 quid. Wow, what did you have? Spring
Chinese
rolls.
expensive.
You ordered the whole Chinese, not even the food, just the Chinese.
No,
Oh,
it's good. No MSG in this one. I don't sleep well if I've had MSG.
do they actually put MSG on every Chinese
Yeah.
food?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
They do it all in Indonesia, everywhere.
I made
So
pad thai.
Malaysia.
I make really good. Well, for me, it tastes good. I make good pad thai, and also the katsu curry is okay. It's still room for improvement. And what is the one with the peanut butter?
Satay.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So-
chicken satay. Yeah, I can do that as well.
Nice
Yeah,
one.
Yum. I tell you, if you get the opportunity, the chicken satay in first class Singapore Airlines is amazing.
Yeah, but I can make it at home.
Well, no, when you're on the plane, I'm saying.
So in
Is the-
May, the last May update for initial jobless claims, so higher unemployment, it was revised really high. Wow, 2,000 above what it actually came out. So if there's more jobless claims last month, then surely we can't expect a massive increase today.
You never know. You never
Is it
know.
not are they not linked together? I mean, the unemployment rate.
What was the unemployment? This has gone up to 3.9, right?
They're expecting it to stay flat. Then.
Good afternoon, lads and lasses.
Hey, Kai.
Hey, guy.
You sound sober for Friday. What happened?
It's alright. Tomorrow will be a different story.
Kai, I'm going to the pub at 4. Looking forward to it.
So they're expected to add 185,000 jobs last month, which would be the smallest gain in half a year. Slightly more than April's. Tricky.
Thomas, did you catch that move this morning?
Nope.
No.
Nope.
Brilliant analysis from Penn.
Mate, that was... I couldn't believe what I saw. That was very good.
Within 2 minutes of the analysis, the fucking
Yeah,
$20
right.
drop. What?
Yeah.
I think on the 5-minute chart, it did just break below the recent support.
I'm
with-
sorry.
Yeah, go.
Sorry. Do you think NFP is going to be higher or lower? Stronger or softer?
I want it to be higher.
I'm gonna go in with one monstrous lot. There
I'm
you
still
go.
holding my euro
Full
themselves.
margin a lot.
Full margin, guys. This is all my life savings on this one lot. If it fails, no more live stream. I have to sell everything. Sell the house, sell the wife.
How many goats would you get for the wife?
Camels.
Ah.
Because we, Hungarians like Turkey and Egypt for holiday, and they do camels there.
Okay.
They do camels there. Depends on a long. Tight stop loss, so maybe a whipsaw is going to knock that out. Crazy move.
What's that? Thomas, what's that? They do a survey, don't they, of traders on Bloomberg or somewhere where they think where it's going to go for the day, right?
Isn't it Kitco?
What's that traders survey they do?
The commitment of traders, but that's not Bloomberg.
Right. So where would I find that? What's that?
In Bloomberg, just press F1 twice and ask the support. No, seriously. Bloomberg support is just outstanding. And do you know why the support at Bloomberg for the terminal users is good? Because what I heard back in before 2021 when I worked on the fixed income desk, we were very close to the Bloomberg office, and because we spent good money, they actually came up and personally explained things and booked education. But the reason why the Bloomberg support is very good for the terminal users, it's not the subscription or newspaper. The reason why they're good because the people who are developing Bloomberg, so the data analysts, the people who make those fancy charts and everything, they do rotational shifts on the support desk because some of the questions are so complex, only they can answer it. And this is why when you're talking to Bloomberg support via the terminal, those are actually the guys who create the terminal.
Yeah, that's right. They have, for new starters and for sort of young kids who start off at Bloomberg out of uni and graduates and things like that, their very first rotation is on the help desk for the terminal, and then they rotate around increasing levels of complexity in jobs. They're very, very knowledgeable.
Oh,
my wife started on the help desk like that.
I love the Bloomberg charting function. Is I think TradingView is more flexible and dynamic in a few things, but the way to do indices, so you can build your own indices and you can do yield charts, for example, or spread charts. I think that's a powerful tool. That's what we use most on the fixed income desk. But TradingView is amazing what they achieved, and now you can do the same thing on TradingView as well. But Bloomberg is Bloomberg. Eric L is asking, I have a question. If dollar is weak, why gold going down while GU and EU is up? Don't know. Market manipulation? Evil market makers?
China came out, said they were stopping their buy-in.
Thomas, what happened to your Euro USD trade? Did you hold on to that or?
Yeah, it's still running since yesterday.
Very
Have a look.
nice.
Have a look.
Running in very good profit.
We're on TradingView screen right now.
Oh shit, sorry.
No worries.
There you go, brother. Full transparency in it.
Still not changed. Not quite.
Alright, shut up. There you go.
Oh, very good, very good.
Amazing.
Yeah, I'm still holding my Euro GBP sells for today.
Nice. I can afford a kebab tonight and a bottle of wine.
Make sure it's the Kobeida kebab.
Which one?
Kobeida.
Kobeida kebab.
Yeah, I had one of them 2 weeks ago. My gosh, mate. First time,
Kobeida.
it's like
Is it
lamb.
kubida?
It's like a lamb seek kebab, but it's way better.
That's on the skewer, isn't it? On the flat skewer.
Yep.
Yeah, kubida. Wow. Yeah. I used to have it a lot.
Very nice.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Morning.
Mr. McGrady.
Gold really shit the bed in London, didn't it?
Did, yeah. I mean, I read this article. It was it's talking about the trade balance of the People's Bank of China. They've stopped buying gold now. Since obviously the last 18 months they've been buying. Last month was the last month that they stopped buying completely.
Oh,
I don't know if that's something to do with it as well, or I'm not too sure.
Should be. They sold high, now they're buying back.
Maybe they're scared of a really strong labour market.
Okay, so I'm just typing out a message to Discord that obviously the trade I posted to you with the stop loss and TP is very speculative. It's very risky, very high risk, and many people say entering before a data is gambling. On NFP day, yes, it's absolutely fucking gambling because no one knows what's going to happen with the data. If it comes to if it was another data, for example CPI, which is easier to track the price changes, it wouldn't be gambling if you understand the economy of the US. But with NFP, and the reason why is mostly gambling, and I'm not afraid to admit that yes, I gambled one whole lot on this trade. You gotta risk it to get the biscuit, but the reason why, it's just enjoy it, and no one knows what's going to happen. NFP is the single most misforecasted data in the whole world, in the whole trading world, and no one knows what's going to happen. In some cases, you can see a downward trend or upward trend in the labor market, especially during the seasonality, but that was like years ago. And in the past couple of years, it's extremely difficult to forecast. And the reason for that is because the revisions got just way out of line. I mean, if you have a look on the last revision, which was revised up to 315,000, if you look at the one before, it was revised from 353 down to 230,000. So you can see from this one, from February to March, they revised 353 down to 230,000. That is a massive deviation. So, truth to be told, good luck everyone. And just enjoy it. You can learn a lot about market sentiment. You can see that gold price is already dropping. Traders are dumping gold, and you can learn about market sentiment when the data comes out, that how the market is reacting to the data, and hopefully it's going to make your trading journey or trading career much easier once you understand to deal with high impact data in a stressful environment. And understanding the market sentiment is the number one thing. If anyone asks me, like, where should I start? Understand the market sentiment. That is my advice for today.
One thing as well, I think is key to mention, that even though you might have a lot on before NFP, you're still within your risk management, which is obviously is a must no matter what.
True that.
yeah.
Hello, team.
Adrian, hey.
Hello.
Hey.
Oh, well, Adrian has appeared.
The Milky Man has appeared.
Yes. You guys are ready?
We've been ready.
Lower or higher NFPs today? Kai?
Higher.
Yes. On the same side, but I fucked up this week completely. Crazy.
What have you
Over
done?
leveraging, completely over leveraging, too greedy. Fucking hell.
Uh,
Well, lesson learned,
Yes,
isn't it?
Yeah, that's
yes. Thomas, like always, learn the hard way. This is welcome to my life. Learn the hard way, but make a new game plan, reducing the lot sizes, and keep up the good mindset, bro. And let's
Yeah.
start again.
What is your
Done
average
very
lot
well
size?
from Adrian.
What's your
Sorry?
average lot size, Adrian?
2.5 and 5 lots, and
Yeah.
I reduce it now to 1.5 lots. Or
It's
one
good.
lot.
I mean, with lower lot sizes, you don't need to worry about the tight, stop loss, the risk tolerance zone, and you just guess the direction. Well, you're not guessing. It's an educated guess. You get the direction right. You enter, and doesn't matter if it's a pullback or you just enter. That's the way of the turtle, and life becomes so much easier, and you can make money with these lots, mate. Thousands of dollars.
I know, Thomas. I know, and I have to reflect everything in my trading career journey. I'm now on the markets for 4 years now, and this is only the beginning, bro. This is only the beginning.
Yeah, you still have your
Well,
hair, so it's a positive.
Yes, it's getting better and better.
All the sides have fallen off, you know.
Sorry?
Just the hair. It's only the top that is still there. The side is already gone from the stress.
Yes.
Ooh.
I have to cut. I cut it in the morning, and I like this cut, man. I like this cut, and it's very uncomplicated.
well,
Better than before.
if
If
you're like me, and you learn the hard way, and then you learn the hard way again, and then you learn the hard way again. It takes me a while to get the lessons through my head.
Yes, Mike. I agree, but this group is absolutely amazing, and I wrote it in the chat today. There's so many different good traders in this community, and we can learn. The educational is limitless. This is crazy good, and I have to cut out the pieces from the market. This is for me when I need 50 pips like Eisenhower. This for me is a perfect trade. Thomas can run the trade for 280 pips.
But do you know what? Do you know why? Because
unbelievable.
I'm doing it for living, but because I have another 3 income streams, and because I'm using smaller lots. Comparing them, I mean, some people have way smaller account sizes and they're using bigger lots than I do. Yeah, do it, mate. Do it, mate. If you want some sleepless nights, and you want to get lose your hair as I did, but because I'm not doing it to. How to say, I'm not stressing if I'm not making money because I know I have money, which it may sound cocky, but that's the reality. Because when you have the burden of debt, when you have the burden of you need to perform to pay the bills, trading is a psychological game. And when you take out that burden, that pressure to make money, trading becomes so much easier.
Yes. When you didn't have the cash problem, the trading is way more easier. This is why I'm starting to get too greedy. Last week I made 7.8k, I think, roundabout. And then I start, it's more than gambling, and then some bad calls, over leveraging, then prickle on the stop losses, and
But let me ask you a question. When you become greedy, so when we're talking about psychology and emotions, when you become greedy, what do you feel when you feel greedy? You want more money. You want if you want more money, that's a good greed. But if you need more money, now that is just bad. If you need money, don't ever go to markets because I guarantee you're going to fail. But anyway, focusing on if you become greedy and you start making money, you want more. And this turns into a losing streak and you're actually not making money and you start losing money. What is the feeling that
Yes.
you feel?
This is absolutely painful. It's absolutely painful, and other people, I think, they cut off trading from their life. But I have different streams, cash flows, and I know I can made it, you know, in trading. And I started on Monday an FTMO account, 50K, and back to profit. Let's go. You know, for me it's better to over leverage and things like this. This is strictly rules from FTMO for me is good. During use, sorry.
Yeah, go ahead.
During use, I'm not good. It's too emotional for me. During the news, you know, I place the trade. Okay, I place my stop loss. Everything is fine. But when it comes too much hectic, then I feel not comfortable enough. At the moment, I have to build up more comfortable, and then things getting better, I think.
Adrian, you are not alone, morning guys. I have the same problem. I have the same problem that you. With time, I get cocky and I say, okay, I can do this. You know, a high motivation. And I say, okay, perfect. When I have 50, 70 people, I say, this is going to heaven. Yes, to my hell then.
Well, sky's the limit.
Yes. But I understand.
Sorry for the interruption. I just closed down, took profit on euro dollar. Obviously, we are 18 minutes away from NFP. Anything can happen. No one knows what's going to happen. So I took the profit, just for your information.
Morning, Thomas. Yeah, me too.
Now we're just going to enjoy. You know, it's going to be a big move, definitely. And now I'm thinking, you know, there's more downside coming. It would be. What do you think?
Higher NFP.
Higher NFP.
The revision.
I think we saw higher NFP numbers.
They've been forecasting kind of whispered rumors as low as 160, though.
The labour market's definitely cooling, for sure. So far, leading up to right now.
But as Tomas's note this morning said, it's the most misforecast number of all of them, isn't it?
Do you agree with that statement?
I've heard the same, Mike. Down to Pussy Town. Down.
Yeah. Yeah.
Habibi, come to Dubai.
Habibi.
No, Dubai is full. Stay away.
Said by an immigrant to Dubai.
All that counts.
You filled it up, big man.
But Tamas, that's not the truth. I'm invested in Dubai. You know, this is completely different. I'm not an immigrant.
Oh, you're one of those golden visa buyers.
Yes, motherfucker. I'm not an illegal immigrant, you know?
No, you paid for that status.
Yes.
Hello, Thomas.
I pay for the title.
Hello.
Yo.
Yo, who's that?
They call me Abu Adrian in Dubai.
Abu Dhabi.
Yes.
Thomas, are you hearing me?
Yes, I can. Who's that?
Oh, George. Thomas,
George.
I don't know what was going on. I tried to get to the morning briefing, and then you send an email, and so we should connect on the email. So I've been trying since this morning to connect on the email, and I couldn't connect.
And then I had to go back to the disco to connect. So I was just wondering what was going on.
What's going on?
No, I said you sent an email that we should connect on our email this morning, 8 o'clock.
Why did you send? I didn't send any emails.
Oh,
I
no,
never send emails.
I think he means the message you sent in the Zoom links about everyone being registered with the same
So
email that they
George.
had from Alpha.
Yeah. George, are you in the Zoom meeting?
Yeah.
Then what's the problem?
No, I was just kind of trying. I just thought maybe it was a hacker or somebody was trying to mess around. That's what I thought. But that's okay.
It's Brad and Adrian sending out the link.
There's a rat in the kitchen.
It's not me. I'm here.
No, it's not me. It's not fucking me.
Someone said it's Charles.
Yeah, I know. Everyone's silent but deadly.
Thomas, where you disappeared to?
My camera turned off.
Oh.
There's a rat in the tech.
All right, 13 minutes to kill.
That's way creepy, at least.
Only 70 likes on YouTube. That is outrageous. What have I done to you guys? No love.
We're not watching on YouTube. Oh, you're not talking to us.
No. I do talk to you, but
Well,
Right, you can still go to YouTube and just hit the like button and then close it again.
Yeah, I can put,
don't do that
YouTube on
because
if you want.
Because if you go to YouTube, you just go there to press the like and close it. I think the algorithm is going to pick up as like you listened in like 30 seconds and it just gone. It's not good for the stats, innit?
Is that how it works?
I'll stop doing that then.
Yeah.
Wow.
I'll leave it running, muted in the background.
Thomas, I have a question for you.
I'm happily married, George.
Okay. So, Thomas, what happens if the data is released and the airline is strong, but then the details are weak? For example, it was strong NFP, but then you have the jobless claims, unemployment rate is weak. The average earning month to month is weak, and other data are weak. How do you trade that?
What other trade? So we're talking about NFP and what other data? Like jobless claims was yesterday. So
no. I said like the unemployment rate. The unemployment rate, because when the unemployment rate is maybe weak, the average earning month to month and year to year are weak. How do you trade such?
So I would focus on unemployment rate because that is the single most important indicator. GDP and unemployment rate is one of the two most important indicators to any country. And it's a good question because we're now focusing on NFP, but let's have a look what would happen if, for example, unemployment rate, and I want George to answer this question, no one else. George, if unemployment rate today is higher than expected, so let's say it goes through the magical 4% or 4%, would it be bearish or bullish for gold, and why?
It's going to be bearish. It's going to be bearish for. Or when unemployment rate is high, it's going to be bullish for gold.
Bullish or bearish?
Bullish.
Yes. Why?
Because it shows weakness in the labor market.
Very nice. Where did you learn this?
I've been learning. I've been following you. I've been reading.
Very good. I like it. So, vice versa, lower unemployment is extremely bearish for gold, because the less unemployed people in an economy in the US, the more salaries being paid. The more salaries being paid. Yeah, more disposable. Very nice. Amazing, brother.
Where do you go?
I'm still here. Oh, what did you say? It's my battery died in my camera, so I need to.
Oh.
I need to put on my.
Who's front running today?
Me?
Yes, sir.
That
I
guy?
did go for a run, but it was yesterday.
Not on gold though. No, not enough for gold.
What are you front running?
I'm selling Euro GBP since yesterday.
Uh-huh.
I got quite a good entry, so my stops around break even anyway, so should be alright.
It's good. I might take a little front run position on gold.
Is TP stop loss?
Let me look at it yet here. I have a just a small account where sometimes I get all my gambling out on that account.
Yeah.
Like Mario, 3 lots sell and 7 lot buy.
Where is Mario?
This legend, man. I have 3 lots sell and 7 lots buy. Like this.
Yeah, it doesn't matter what he does, he just makes money.
Crazy.
Is that a limit order or are you already in?
Already
Who
in.
knows with that guy? Who knows? A few weeks ago, he was both long and short, 7 contracts one way and 3 the other, and just let those run out. Then another time, he had a straddle set up where it was a buy up and a sell down.
तो ये एक फैक्टर है, एक डर है कि यहाँ से शायद सेंट्रल बैंक की जो खरीदारी है जिसने अब तक सोने और चांदी
You guys are hearing that as well, right?
सोना जिसमें रिकॉर्ड
HP. Is it German, Adrian?
No.
No, that's Indian.
Yeah, no, that's Indian.
Yeah, buy.
It's
buy
Hindi.
HP.
Yes.
About silver and gold news.
She was sending signals, Thomas.
Yeah.
Giving them updates.
Anyway, he's in
Found
the
him.
waiting room.
She was
Yeah,
sending
yeah.
signals.
Adrian, very good, very good.
Gabriel Garcia, hello, brother. Marcin.
Oh man.
Just
How many
looking
minutes
through.
do we have? 6 minutes.
6 minutes, yeah. Get your credit cards ready.
Need a
Maybe
nerve
45.
Put your kidneys on loan.
There was
Credit cards
Marwan did sell his kidney to trade.
How much do you get for a kidney?
Quite a lot.
Like 50k.
Yeah.
Have to ask Marwan, he'll let you know.
Oh, I've
Mar-
got to go then.
Marco Coelho is saying, Tomasz, can you remove the delay of stream? There is like 20 seconds delay. Yeah, of course. I send you the link and you can remove that delay. It's only costs like £300. Oh no.
One time.
There you go. Use that link and, you know, it's going to be the most expensive 20 seconds, but trust me, it's worth it.
Oh, it's definitely not the most expensive 20 seconds.
In comparison to what other people sell other shit at, then no, it's not.
Yeah, definitely. And with what the alpha community offers, yeah, no, definitely not expensive at all.
Yeah, yeah.
I made it back on the first trade I took with you guys.
There you go.
You made what?
I made it
membership.
back.
Someone's gonna give a brief analysis of how I'm gonna trade today.
You know, it's the first is always free and good, but the rest is shit. It's like buying drugs. The first one is always free and good.
Of course you'd know, Tomasz. Of course you'd know.
Yeah. What?
Been in London too much.
Oh, mate, yeah, the drugs actually came much faster than if you order a pizza.
Oh yeah, 100%. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Thomas, can I give a brief analysis of how I'm going to trade today?
On what? So I'm gonna pull out from the gold long position, and I'll show you why. Is getting now below the pivot, and to be honest, like I don't know what's going to be the number. No one knows what's going to be the number, but it looks like that the sell-off is. Oh, I don't know.
Your GBP is already selling off, to be honest.
Euro USD is still holding strong though. And we have 2 minutes and 50 seconds.
Thomas, did you get any time to see Michael riding the waves analysis this week?
No.
No, he was looking for 22.77 and 22.44.
22.77.
Yeah.
Mate, there's like 600 pips away.
I know. But it's come halfway down from where he analyzed it to drop from.
Let's have a look on the data. So the actual, if you see the last, well, you can't really compare it, but the last few data releases for NFP. Oh shit, I missed an April one. What was the NFP? Anyway, it's too late now. But if you look at it, everything was much stronger. Only the last one was lower than the previous one, significantly lower.
Gold still rallied.
Yeah. So if anyone knows the data, I'm going to shake your hand, because no one knows. And plus we have the revision. So truth to be told, guys, NFP is the most misforecasted. So you just need to take a side, and it's going to work out or not. This is the reality of NFP trading, and not many people like to admit it. But because this is the most misforecast data ever in history, and plus you get to take into account the revision, which could be, you know, if you look at the chart, some of the revision are off, you know, hundreds of thousands, like 300k, 400k revision. So use a small lot, take a side, and, you know, just gamble a bit. And this is not a financial advice.
What is it then?
Just
Gambler's advice.
Coaching, life advice. Yeah, just enjoy it. Learn about the market sentiment. Learn about, take out the stress and just let it happen. Don't panic about it. Do not place heavy lots, because, you know, it's as gambling. Okay, we have 40 seconds left. Buy or sell? Someone tell me.
Sell.
I put in a buy.
I've done a 0.01 buy.
All right, jumping back into a buy. Buy. But it's only a one lot position, so it's nothing significant. Yeah. And we have 20 seconds to go, ladies and gentlemen.
It is total
Get your
gap.
credit cards ready.
Yeah. Looking for a buy, waiting for the wick
10,
down.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. What is the data? Oh, is higher. Is significantly higher. Yeah. Jumping.
All right.
Significantly higher. Even euro dollar just got absolutely dumped. Look at that. Dollar is getting stronger. Gold is dropping. Gonna jump into a small, 2-lot sell on gold, because that support ain't going to hold.
The 2317 is strong.
Congratulations to the sellers. Congratulations. Yeah. It's significantly higher. It's gonna go much lower. What was the revision? 158. Oh, hold on. 158. That was low. Oh shit! That is a very 158,000 the revision. That is just insane. Now the data is significantly higher, but the revision significantly lower. This is going to be a bloodbath.
I'm out.
Dixie shooting.
All bets are off.
Bloodbath. Yeah. I'm gonna close down. I'm out.
Well,
I'm out. Look at that. Look at the data. The previous data was 175,000. They revised it down to 158. But the actual data today is significantly greater than the forecast in the previous one. And now they changed it to 165,000. So they just revised it twice. They revised it twice in a minute. Have you seen it?
Yeah.
No.
This number was revised twice in 1 minute.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it was 175. Now it's 165. Yeah.
Yeah, but I was looking at the wrong number, so it wasn't revised.
Oh, you was looking at private?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Tarek, he's made a good sell today. Well done, brother. Congratulations.
The unemployment rate went up to 4%.
That's bullish.
Yeah, that's quite important.
Mate, data is so mixed today. Good luck, everyone.
means,
I'm not going to risk more money.
If it stayed below 4%, it would have been the 28th month in a row.
Have a look at cable. Have a look at cable. Cable's just sunk to the bottom of the earth.
Yeah, same with Euro USD. So surely Euro GBP should follow, right? Because like you said, it's to do with the basket against the dollar, isn't it?
Yeah, but if you look at the data, I mean, it's very mixed. Previous data, last month data got revised down 20-something thousand. The actual data is significantly higher. So this is already a very mixed data, very conflicting data. And then you look at unemployment, crystal clear buy on gold. You look at the NFP data, very, very confusing. And what was the other data?
Unemployment rate.
Yeah, unemployment clear buy. NFP is very mixed. Good luck, guys. Just enjoy it.
Good luck.
Yeah. I ain't gonna put anything on this. We had a bit of fun and all that, but
yeah,
we can make sense out.
Gold is holding support right there at 14, which was last week's low.
Yes.
Unemployment 4%. When was the last time unemployment rate was at 4%? Who can tell me?
28 months ago.
28 months ago. How many years is that? 2
Too
years.
many.
Yeah, but if you ignore COVID, yeah, 2022, that was the end of COVID. Before that, who can tell me when was the last time? It was back in 2017. So after the financial crisis was going down. Exciting. Is gold going to pump based on the higher or increasing unemployment rate?
I hope so.
Fuck, mate, my robots are going crazy. The robots are losing their minds. Shit.
I would love to see what that looks like. Your robot must be getting like signal on top of signal on top of signals.
Man, today the drop from 2387 to 2320, that's almost 700 pips just in a single day.
That's massive.
Did anyone manage to catch it?
No.
A part of it.
Yeah.
Almost.
Almost.
My original entry would have been 20 pips off from where the big drop started.
Ben made a nice call with 300 pips, guys.
Oh yeah, definitely.
I don't know if anyone's interested. I've just posted a link in the chat, which is the news release from the for non-farm payroll today.
Thank you, Red.
Yeah, it's good reading. Thanks.
Oh yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.
Do you, any of you, actually read the articles I post and all the economic stuff?
Yeah.
Good.
Yes.
That's the right answer.
Tarek just made 750 pips. That is absolutely amazing, brother.
Yeah.
Good for you, brother.
All right. right. Full margin Friday.
Yeah, full margin Friday. That's it.
Rubel Tahir, that's insider trading. Institutions who knew NFP data before shorted gold. Trust me, no institution knows the NFP data prior. Is one of the... No one knows, trust me. But actually, a few weeks ago, the jobless claims data was published 30 minutes before, and no one noticed it. Have you read that article?
Yeah.
Was it? Yeah, I think it was jobless claims.
It was jobless claims, yeah. I'm pretty sure it was.
It was published 30 minutes early?
20 or 30 minutes, yeah. But it wasn't published in the economic calendars. It was published on the Bureau of Labor Statistics website.
Oh.
But no one's checking that because everyone's looking at the calendars in Bloomberg.
In May, the average hourly earnings for all employees on non-pump payrolls increased by 14 cents or 0.4%.
Yeah, but Bloomberg would get their statistics from the Federal Bureau's website, no?
I don't know where they get the data feed.
Yeah, it's a good point, Kai. I don't know.
Big revision, lower. It's not good, is it?
I'm going to hold on to my Euro GBP.
272k next month's going to be revised.
These revisions just getting out of hand now.
What's the weekly look like?
A candle?
Yeah.
Wick.
Oh shit. That is a big wick.
What's the
Yeah, there it was, yeah. See this
What
wick.
she said.
Mate, I bet 2000 is coming this year.
Yeah.
You reckon?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, technically look at that.
Yeah, technically.
Man, that weekly candle is fucking shite.
Oh, we're in for a treat next week. See how it plays out. But we are looking bearish.
Mate, I'm still holding longs from...
Fuck's sake, Brad.
I'm still holding longs from 2430.
Yeah, this is a show off.
Damn.
What do you mean show off? It's... What do you mean show off? I'm over $3,000 in drawdown from longs at 4,300.
You hate cutting your losses, innit, Brad? You just love to hold until he gets back there, innit?
But the overnights are positive for shorts, right? So, fuck it.
Fuck's sake.
It's not so much about being right, it's about the... Yeah, no, I at least made break even.
Yeah.
Gold buy now.
Yeah, but where's your stop out level, Brad? Would you just wait until you get...
There's no stop there. You asked me about
Margin.
stops yesterday. There's
Yeah,
no
I did,
stop
but so it's full margin then.
Don't use that terminology. I don't like
But
it.
but it is, isn't it?
Well, full margin would be when all your deposit load is fully used, and if you went into drawdown, your account would blow. That's how I understand it.
But you have no stop loss, so you don't have a level where all your margin would be used, right?
Well, the level is way down the line. The deposit, I'm at like 20% deposit load. So there's still room in the account. There's still balance in the account, even though it's in drawdown.
Right. So, but where would be your kind of stop out level? Like 50%? Like, surely there's a stop somewhere.
There's no
Margin call.
There's no stop level set in these trades.
No, not set. I mean, but in your mind, like, what's your psychological saying to you? Like, I don't want it to go below this. Surely there's something. Otherwise,
Kai, you're forcing me into a corner, and I'm gonna have to say something that's gonna reflect badly on me. I've got equal and opposite trades on.
Okay.
I've got hedged. I've got sells on as well as buys.
Okay. So you kind of...
And I'm trying to manage the account back to nil, back to zero risk.
Right. So you're hedging.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
I'm a bit embarrassed to have disclosed that, but there you go.
Yes, it's fine.
That's not even that bad.
I can use my phone as a camera, so I can just move it around. This is absolutely epic.
When old people find out new technology.
Fuck off, Kai.
I love it.
Gold buy
good.
now.
That was a good one.
Probably the other worst thing you could have said is okay, boomer. You just left it at that.
So Kai,
Gold buy now.
so
Buy
Kai,
gold now. Proper risk management. Use proper risk management.
Mate, I come from a generation where, we lived in a communism, so we didn't have much money. We had one television. There was no.
Look at you now, beat.
Yeah. I mean, the television, we used a match to change the channel because the remote control was always crap. Some of you might remember these big Orion televisions, and you had to turn a knob to switch the channel, and we used
We have only 5 channels.
Yeah.
In the past, only 5 channels.
Which are you from, West or East Germany?
The West.
Or you West, but you lived in Poland.
I born in Poland, and with one year, I'm arriving in Germany. I was born in Poland.
Bloody immigrants.
But not raised.
Polish girls are, oh my God, amazing.
What do you think gold's doing here? Trying to trick traders into thinking it's a reversal, but it's going to go down to 2,300?
I think no one knows what to do with this with this data.
Yeah.
Right? Mixed NFP. If you look at the revision and the actual data, then you have the unemployment, which is 4%. I think that is a psychological level. Hourly earnings gone up, inflationary. That's against, it's just mixed.
Mike,
So-
I say today or Monday, 2,300.
Yeah.
That's what you hope.
No, but
I'm joking.
I've got a one-day RSI here that is halfway through. It's heading south, right?
Wait, what?
I've got on a one-day chart. I've got an RSI here that has just started its down slope. It's
All
going
right.
to come down for another 3 or 4 days. The one-day RSI, right?
Hmm.
I say in the next few days, 2,300.
And then buying from 23.05.
Maybe. Let's talk on Tuesday.
See you next Tuesday.
See you next Tuesday. Very good. Very good. Very good. You've been hanging out with too many Australians, Thomas.
Too many Brits. Well, kind of like London is the new Sydney, innit?
Well, yeah.
Kai, you agree?
Say what? Agree to what?
No, I mean, London is just a melting pot. There's so many Aussies. They're coming with a backpack and, traveling around, drinking up all the ales and shagging all the girls. It's just...
No,
the
I
same,
think
like-
it's the other way around. It's the other way around.
Now it is, because Brits are leaving the UK as it's sinking.
Yeah.
Hey, if it's one thing I've learned, British women, British girls, drink a lot of pints, drink a lot of beer.
Yeah, I think
My
80% of
girlfriend
the
doesn't.
population is alcoholic.
I'm sure in Germany or somewhere else, the women drink a lot of beer as well, but it's just astounding to me how much beer girls drink here.
Gin and tonic and, bit of
Coke.
bubbles. In the UK, champagne, prosecco.
Yeah, they love all that. That's my wife's.
Go on,
story.
you deserve it. Just one glass. Go on, girl.
On girl.
Oh,
Guys, gold isn't doing anything. If you, I missed a drop, and you know what I say. If I miss the move, I'm not going to stress. NFP was the highlight of the week, and now it's gone. Now gold is stuck. New York Open is definitely going to twist the, or how to say, definitely going to bring some volume to the market. But I just want to say happy weekend, everyone, and see you next week.
Yes, sir.
The same you were looking
Next
for.
week?
We'll put a spanner in the works. I think is what
Yeah.
you were looking for. Okay.
What?
Thank you, Thomas. See you
sounds
next
good.
week.
Thanks, everyone.
Nice weekend, guys.
Have a good weekend.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Good weekend.
Take
Bye
care.
bye, everyone.
Bye.
See.
Have a good weekend.
See you, Tech.
Full margin buy.
No.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, those of you who still in the YouTube chat, if you want to join the Alpha community to understand and learn real trading with macroeconomics, fundamentals, and of course technicals, because it is one of the key elements, go to alphafx.eu. And actually, no, don't go there. There is a discount in the YouTube chat that you can enjoy, an additional discount on top of the 50%. Only available for the first 3 joiners, no more, because I'm going to close down the joining for summer. Grab it while it lasts, and I wish you a relaxing weekend. Have some rest and come back full powered next week. Let's make some money. Thank you so much. Have a good one.